Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lady Akanksha. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you people my 10 must-have personal care and hygiene products that every girl must own. So if you're interested to know what those are, then please keep on watching. So to start with, the very first product that I feel in today's time every girl must own is a pepper spray. So I've got this one from Secure Shield pepper spray, because when some morons are not taught by their family to behave themselves, we need to take care of ourselves, because once if you spray it on someone, trust me, that bonehead is not gonna able to see or breathe properly for like quite some time, so yeah, this is how it looks. And please do not spray it here and there, because trust me, you are gonna suffocate. And yeah, it has a very strong peppery smell. It has pepper, it has ghost pepper as well, I guess. You get 55 ml of product and it retails for 250 rupees, I guess. Okay, let me check. No, it retails for 360 rupees. And it has a shelf life of 2 years, which is quite a lot. So yeah, you should keep something like this with you, but I hope that you never get to use this. So yeah, the first thing is a pepper spray. I feel every single one should own and should carry with them, especially when we are on chums. So this is like a sanitary disposal bag. Now I have seen since I was in school, I have always seen girls throwing their sanitary napkins, like used sanitary napkins, here and there in the washroom, and even in public toilets. You should take care of your mess. So yeah, I just feel that investing in something like this does not do any harm to anyone, because this is very inexpensive. You get 15 disposal bags in here and it retails for just 75 rupees. So I have this from Sirona. Sirona is a very good brand. They have a lot of different feminine care stuff, right from sanitary napkins to tampons to pain reliever thingy, and also these. So I would really recommend you guys to keep these, and whenever you need to change your tampon or sanitary napkin, you use this to dispose of the used one. So this is how it looks, and I'll show you how one of them looks like. So as I said, you get 15 of them. This is how it looks. You can put your stuff here and then dispose it. The next thing that I have is a toilet seat sanitizer. Now PSafe has been a brand that has really created the hype of a toilet seat sanitizers. So yeah, this is the PSafe toilet seat sanitizer. It's in the variant lavender. You also get this in the mint variant, and as you can see, it's pretty new. I just got it and I haven't even opened the seal. It is actually very helpful if you are traveling or you go somewhere like your office, you go to some restaurant for dinner, for lunch, and you need to use the loo. Then it comes in handy, because you can just spray it all over the seat and then you can get on top of that, because otherwise I don't know how many millions of people have sat on that, and you can get some sort of contagious diseases from sitting on that seat. And so yeah, just to keep yourself safe and not get any such STDs or infections from public toilets, I really feel that this is really important, not for males as such, but for females definitely it is very useful and very necessary. So do indulge in this, and it retails for 120 rupees and you get 50 ml of products, which goes a long way. Next up is a thing which again I feel is gonna come very handy for females when we are on the go, we are traveling and stuff like that. You can get a stuff called Stand and Pee. Now this one I have discovered recently, and trust me, this is amazing. This has these funnel kind of a thingy. It's made of paper, so you need to like make it up. It's foldable, I guess. So yeah, and then you can use it to stand and pee. How innovative is that? So it's by Sanfe. Sanfe also has a period cramp reliever. I have seen that. I haven't really used it yet, but yeah, Sanfe is again a really good brand like Sirona. You get 10 packs here and it retails for 99 rupees, which I think is okay. I mean, ek ka 10 rupees chalta hai. It's not that expensive. So this is how one of them looks. It's like a triangular kind of thingy. It's like very flat. You need to kind of open it like this. You need to put it near you and then you need to pee. And yeah, just go near the pot and pee using this. You don't need to sit on it. There's no hygiene factor. So yeah, this is really safe, really hygienic. I would really recommend you guys to grab this if you are hesitant of public toilets and you does not pee and you actually hold your pee. That's really unhealthy. You guys don't do that. Instead, grab something like this and pee, you know. Next thing that I feel every girl must own are tiny pocket-sized perfumes. So these are on the go. You can carry this like in wherever you go, in your purse, in your wallet, if you're in your bag, in your backpack. So yeah, do get these tiny sized perfumes. But you know, it's not always so that we can get our favorite fragrance in a pocket size. So what I would recommend you guys is you can get these refills, you know. I'll put a picture right here. So it's like a very tiny bottle of perfume where you can actually put any perfume of your choice. You just need to open the perfume which you want to put in that bottle. You need to open this thing, I don't know what is it called, the nozzle I guess. So you need to pull it out, then you need to put that on top of this, then you need to press that. You have a pressing kind of thingy, you know. Then the perfume gets transferred from the bigger bottle to that tiny one. So that's really cool. So yeah, you can go for that. It's really handy. You can put any single perfume of your choice and carry wherever you want. It is so tiny. It's like it can hold a perfume of somewhere around 5 to 10 ml I guess. So yeah, that's big thumbs up. Next up is a tiny hand sanitizer. Now it's not because we are in the middle of a pandemic where we need to stay hygienic and take care of our hygiene factor, but I will urge every single one of you watching this video to please make hygiene a lifestyle, make it a habit, I would say, and always carry a hand sanitizer no matter wherever you go. Teach your son, your daughter, your kids right from they start going to school to always carry a hand sanitizer. I have been carrying a hand sanitizer since I was in school, so it has been like a part and parcel of me. Even if I go to the market for shopping or I go for some lunch or dinner to some restaurant, I'll always have a tiny hand sanitizer. I will also have the bag tag, you know. I'll put the video right here so you can see. So you can put the sanitizer inside the bag tag and then you can carry it, like you can tie it up on your bag. So that's it's that way it is really secure. And if you're someone who is really forgetful, then that's not an issue because you'll already be tying this to your bag. The next product that you need to have are this toilet seat covers. Now these again are a very necessary thing if you are a hygiene freak like me and you are hesitant of sitting on the pot. So this is really handy. I'll show you how it looks. So these are again disposable. These are biodegradable, by the way. So this is how they come in. It's like a pile of, wait, let me see how many of these I get. Yeah, I get 20 toilet seat covers here and it retails for 175 rupees. That's okay. I mean, itna to chalta hai. Okay, not that expensive. And this is how it looks. It's like a foldable thingy. You need to unfold it. This is how it looks. Can you see? This is how it looks. So अगर आप बीच का ये detach कर देते ना, so there is like a big hole in between, so you can put it on the seat and then sit on it and do your thing very conveniently. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's made of some butter paper kind of thingies. The next product that you need to have is a cramp relief roll-on, or a cramp relief balm would also do. So I have this Pee Safe cramp relief roll-on. I love this. And this is actually like a menstrual cramp reliever. It's a roll-on form, and this one per se is really handy if you have some mild cramps, like abdominal cramps or back pain or pain in your legs. It really comes in handy for all those days when we are chumming, or otherwise even I like using it for my headaches as well. It has some really good ingredients. It has eucalyptus oil, it has sattva pudina, and also a few more ingredients which are really nice pain relievers. Also, it does not stain your clothes whatsoever. That's a really good thing because some sort of these oils or roll-ons really tend to give you stains on your clothes, so that's not so flattering. You get 10 ml of product and it retails for 199 rupees, which I think is a little expensive, but it's fine, it's okay. The next thing that you need to own are sweat pads. Now if you're someone who sweats a lot. You know, you become self-conscious when you have a huge sweat patch on your underarm and you are like very shy to even raise your hand. So in that case, you should definitely indulge into a sweat pad. Now these are basically like a sanitary napkin, but these are tinier in size. Currently I don't have those, so I can't really show you, but you know what I feel? More than a sweat pad, using a panty liner is more useful, because sweat pads are like really tiny, like really tiny. If I can give you a reference, I would definitely have given you. So it's like a you know, you can see this, right? So it's like a circular version of this. If you cut a circle out of this square, that's how tiny it is. So if you're someone who sweats really less, then that might help you. But otherwise, if you sweat a hell lot, then that's not gonna help. So in that case, I would recommend you to go for a panty liner instead, because those are longer than a sweat pad, right? Those are approx twice the length of a sweat pad, so that's gonna absorb more sweat, and it's gonna be more practical. So yeah, I would really recommend you to use a sweat pad if you sweat less, and a panty liner if you sweat a lot. People have this confusion that where do you actually need to stick the sweat pad, on your skin or on the top? So you do not need to stick it onto your skin like on your armpit. No, you need to stick it on the top. So you need to stick it on your top, or whatever you are wearing, basically onto that, and then you need to wear it. Don't stick it onto your skin, because that's not gonna help. The next thing that you need are panty liners. So this is how they look. This one is from Whisper, as you can see clearly, and these are like a pack of 40 and it retails for 165 rupees. Pretty cheap, pretty cheap indeed. And these are like very tiny compact version of a sanitary napkin, and you can use it on those days when you have very less flow, like on the 5th or 6th day. Also, you can use this on a daily basis, like if you have a lot of discharge going on, like on usual days as well, you can use this really comes handy that way. And yeah, I would really recommend you guys to try this. This is a really nice one. You can also get these from Carefree, Bella, and P Safe also have these panty liners, by the way. So you can use completely any one of these. I will show you one how it looks. So this is how one comes in. It's individually packed. That's a really good thing. I really like the sanitary napkins which comes individually packed, because these, when they are packed, these are these go under the UV light. These are like completely sterile, and when you open the pack, it is prone to germs and the bacteria from the atmosphere. Those get into these, and then you wear it, and oh, I just don't feel like wearing or using these sanitary napkins when I open the pack once, and these do not have individual packaging. So I really feel that there's no point in sterilizing these. I don't feel like wasting it, because there are a lot of women who can't really afford to have sanitary napkins, and here I'm wasting it, so I don't feel like, but I will definitely try to use it somehow later. So this is how it looks. It's really tiny. It's hardly like 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters, I guess. And yeah, this is how it looks. Really thin, really comfortable to wear. It absorbs pretty well, like for the purpose that it is made, it really fulfills that. So love this. So yes, you guys, those were all the 10 products that I wanted to share with you guys. If you felt this video was helpful and you liked it, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. And also do let me know in the comments below if you feel like there are some other must-have products for females, because I feel that's gonna be really helpful for other people watching this video. So yeah. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.